Hi, I'm Jerry at Lucas Metalworks. Today we'll be showing you how to put on a new bearing on a old roller on a Ground Hog. In this procedure we're going to be putting a new bearing on a shaft for the Ground Hog roller. We normally remove the set screw out of the new bearing. There's a groove here that this set screw is supposed to set in. We slide the bearing onto the shaft where we can see the groove. We put Loctite onto the threads, and then we install the set screw. There is 2 set screws. After you cinch that set screw down, you move it over and you tighten the other one down. All right, now this procedure we're going to remove the bearing from the shaft. This particular bearing will keep coming off easy because it's a new one. But usually you remove the set screws. Like I said, a lot of times we have Loctite on them, so therefore they're a little harder to remove. And then we get wheel pullers, gear pullers, and in the process of removing the bearing and just pull it off the shaft. It's a new bearing, so it comes off easy.